So the question here that I've given you, the equation says 4x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. This equation does not say y equals something, which means that it's not in slope-intercept form, right? M is the slope and B is the y-intercept only when it says y equals, only when y is isolated. Right now, y is not isolated. We need to rearrange this equation so that we have y equals. Okay, so this goes back to the previous chapter. We want to remove everything from the left side except for the y. Okay, so if I want to remove this 4x, it's a positive 4x. How do I get rid of plus 4x?
Negative 4x.
Good, take away 4x. Okay, so if I'm taking away 4x from the left side, what do I have to do on the right side? Take away 4x. What else do I want to get rid of from the left side?
10.
Positive 10. How do I get rid of 10? Subtract 10. So what do I need to do on the right side? Subtract 10. So I have negative 3y. I haven't done anything with that. Negative 3y equals 0 take away 4x. I don't need to write the 0. So negative 4x minus 10. So my equation says negative 3y is equal to something, but I want to know what y is equal to. I want to put it into slope-intercept form. How would I isolate y? How would I get this y by itself? So the opposite of multiplying negative 3 times y would be to divide by what? Negative 3. So what do I need to do to each term on the right side? Divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3. Okay, we're going to leave it as a fraction. You always leave slope as a fraction so that you can easily see your rise and your run. So y is equal to, what's a negative and a negative? Positive. So I'm just going to write 4 over 3x. And I have another negative and a negative. Positive. 10 over 3. Now, is this in slope-intercept form? So which part of that equation now would represent the slope? Yes.
4 over 3.
So the slope is equal to 4 over 3. And what's the y-intercept equal to? Joel, what's the y-intercept? 10 over 3. Okay, notice how when it wasn't written in slope-intercept form, you can't just say, oh, the slope is 4, the coefficient of x. No, the slope was not 4. The slope was 4 over 3. We had to rearrange it to figure out the slope. It always has to say y equals in order for you to identify m and b. It has to be in that form.